ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ನ ನಾನೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಗುರುಗಳು, ನನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಇಂದ್ರಾಣಿ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವರು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೊಂದು ತಾಯಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗ ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರು, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಕಾಟನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರುವಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇಗೆ PTA ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಂದ್ರಾಣಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ರೀಸನಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಯುವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಟುಡೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಆನರ್ ಟು ಆನರ್ ಮೈ ಟೀಚರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಇಂದ್ರಾಣಿ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್.
ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಯುಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ನೀ ಮಾಡುವ ಈ ತ್ಯಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಟಿ.
It's a beautiful moment to honor your teacher who has taught you the life lessons.
Not only my teacher, I think there are a lot of people whose teacher she is in this room. Deepika's teacher, Ashik's teacher, I know a lot of them.
Wow, beautiful moment.
Well. Happy Women's Day to begin with. I'm standing next to, I call him Shabbu, if you all know his pet name, like a proud mother. We know, everyone knows, mother is the first teacher when a child is born. They learn a lot of things from the mother, but once the child enters school and is handed over to us, we take the place of a mother. It is such a proud moment and an honor for me to stand here with my babies. And as they have said, we have had a long journey with Mohammed Nalapad. It has been from the time he was 4 years old. So it's 2 decades. I'll stop with 2 decades. And it's not just him, but his brother Omar and his 2 little sisters, whom we have seen them grow. And it is such an honor to stand here. And I'm like a proud mother today to see the way these children have achieved, Deepika as well. And inner secrets we'll share later. But I think they have groomed so well, not just by us, but by the grace of God. Every step of the way, we can see the mighty hand of the Almighty on these children. And I always keep telling him, we know India is in safe hands. Can we hear something for this youth? Because you and I know where we are heading, but I think with these, I call them children, I think we will be in safe hands. So thank you so much. And such a proud moment, I'm repeating myself again. And it's an honor to be recognized with so many stalwarts here this evening. And it's really my privilege to say a humble thank you. And proud of you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. There's no inner secret. I was always a troublesome child. Even growing up, I was very troublesome.
What a beautiful moment together. So ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆರ್ ನಲ್ಪಾದ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್, ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.